Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, we show you how to have a payment QR code printed by default. First, click on General. Then open the sub-menu General. Now use the edit icon of the store you want to add this feature to. A window will open where you can adjust the details of the selected store. Then open the settings. To activate the printing of the QR code, set the corresponding check mark. You then can adjust the default printer for those QR codes. Simply set the corresponding check mark. If you selected the option of a fixed printer, you need to set the respective printer. To do so, use the corresponding drop-down menu. Once you set everything up, click on Save to apply the changes. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to have a payment QR code printed by default.